This is the video on how to create the Excel CPI document. Okay, in step 2, in cell 015, calculate the cost of an iPhone 12 in dollars in the year 1913 using the consumer price index in cell N15 and the cost of an iPhone 12 in 2021. In cell 023, fill 015 down the column to 022. Format cells as currency to 2 decimal places. So we would be working out of cell 015. So we need to select cell 015. 15 is right here. And let's see, we have to format it. Currency, number to 2 decimal places. So it already has the right formatting. So I'll go to my formula bar, hit the equal sign, and type 015. Nope, no. Dollar sign O. Dollar sign 123 star dollar sign N 15 divided by dollar sign N dollar sign 123. Look to see if it matches. It looks like it's a match. And I hit enter. Then it says to fill down to 022, 122. Go to this column selected. Go bottom right corner, left click and hold and drag it down. Okay, go to the next step. Be sure to use the correct cell references there. In step 3, in cell P16, so we have to locate cell P16. The ratio of the value of the annual CPI index to the value in 1913. Fill P16 down the column to cell P123. Format cells P16 to P123 as a number with 4 decimal places. So we have to find a cell P16. And that's P there. P16 is located right here. Go to my formula bar. Let's see how it's formatted. Formatted as a number with 4 decimal places, so it's already formatted correctly. P16 is selected here. My formula, I'll put an equal sign. I have dollar sign N16 divided by $, N, N 15. And it looks right. And then I hit enter. And then it says fill down to P123. So I select the cell, go to my bottom right corner, left click and drag it down to 123. In step 4, in cell Q16, so let's locate where Q16 is. There's Q, and 16 is here. Calculate the inflation rate. In the year 1914, fill Q16 down the column, cell Q123. Format cells as a percentage to 2 decimal places. So we'll be working out of cell Q16, which is located here. And let's see how it's formatted. So it's formatted correctly. So we type our formula in, which is right here. I go to the formula bar and I hit equals. Then $6 N16 minus $N15, close parentheses, open parentheses, close parentheses, divided by $N15. It looks like what I have typed on my notes. And I hit enter. And then I fill down to Q123. I select the cell. It's my bottom right corner, left click and drag down and fill it. And that was step number 4. The next one is step number 5. In cell U109, so we need to identify cell U109. Here. Use the max function to find the maximum annual inflation rate. So there's our max function. It'll find in this range, it'll find the largest annual inflation rate. So U109 is located here. So I go to my formula bar and I hit equals. You see it's a predefined function. Q16 colon Q123 close parentheses. Hit enter. And it returned the largest inflation rate. And step 6, use the match function to find the sequence number. Okay. Of the value from the cell in the column. So they want to know which was it, the first, the second, the third year, or when it'll return like the year from it. Okay. And there's the format for match here, max value from here. So it'll take that max value and return which year, reference wise, from 1913. Was it the third year, fourth year? So that's what the function looks like. So in cell U10, 110, I select it here. Start typing. And you see the predefined function match. I double click on it. I type U109. U109. Comma. Q16 colon Q123 comma 0 close parentheses. It looks like what I typed. So it happened in the 5th year from 1913. And they want to know the actual year number. To find the actual year where it occurred. And this is the format here for the index function. So index here, they have the range and they have the match number that we're looking for. So it returns the actual year where it occurred. And that goes into cell 111. Just there. Oh, cell 111 is here. Yeah. Equal sign. And there's the index predefined function, so I can double click on that and it fills it in. And I can start typing A16 colon A123 comma U110 close parentheses. It looks right. And I hit enter. And that happened in 1918. So we can go back over here. So in the fifth year, 15 to 20, in the fifth year, in 1918 here, from here to here is 5 years. In 1918, the inflation rate was, and that's what, 20. Okay. Bucks. You see the inflation rate here was 18.43%. That's a lot coming out of Q. We go to step 8. Does inflation always increase from year to year? No, it doesn't. No, it does. Sometimes it goes up and sometimes it goes down and sometimes it doesn't change at all. That's in U16. And there's U16 here. No, it does not. And then it says save your file and submit for grading. That finishes this here.